Lesson 2. Commercial Privileges, Ratings, and Recency. Earning your commercial pilot license grants you specific privileges under PNG CAR Part 61. A CPL allows you to act as pilot in command of an aircraft in commercial operations certified under Part 135 or Part 121, or as a co-pilot in multi-crew transport. When acting as a co-pilot on a multi-crew commercial aircraft, you can log 100% of that flight time as co-pilot. However, you cannot fly commercial passengers under instrument flight rules unless you hold a valid instrument rating with the appropriate aircraft endorsements. Before you can act as pilot in command of a multi-engine aeroplane, you must complete a flight training syllabus and receive a logbook endorsement for the class or type rating from a flight instructor. Similarly, operating a turbine-powered aircraft requires passing a basic gas turbine ground course and receiving a type rating endorsement. To maintain your privileges to carry passengers commercially, you must meet recent experience rules. First, you must complete 3 takeoffs and 3 landings in an aircraft of the same type and category within the preceding 90 days. You must also hold a current operational competency check, such as a route or proficiency check. Standard commercial pilot competency checks are valid for 12 calendar months. For pilots flying instrument flight rules or acting as pilot in command on complex multi-engine transport aircraft, these proficiency checks are valid for 6 calendar months.